How do you PageFly on Shopify? So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use PageFly on Shopify. So first of all, you have to tap onto the apps option here. Also, you can tap onto the settings option, and then from there you can tap onto apps and sales channel. From there you can go to Shopify App Store. So after clicking onto App Store, search up for PageFly and then download the PageFly landing page builder. This is basically an AI which helps you to customize and make your landing page or home page more easily. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. You have to install it up and open it. So let's go. And here is the PageFly page builder, and from here you can just tap onto this link and you can complete your UI optimization. Just click on every single one, and then from now you can just start creating your page. So you can scroll down and you can view more apps. Here you can take your store to the next level with this must have apps. From here you can just check them out, but for now we are going to create a landing page. So let's tap onto page, and from there you can tap onto create blank page at the top right corner and then tap on the page that you want to create. For example, I'm going to tap onto a regular page, so I'm just going to create onto it, and from there you can now customize everything according to your need. You can add elements according to your need, text and etc. You can check out some previously made page templates right from here. To make this video shorter, I'm going to use one of them, so just select it up and then tap confirm. So the selected template will replace all our content. So let me add this one. Yeah, this one looks pretty nice, so let's add it up. Now you have to tap confirm. So there we go. This is how it looks like. Now after edit, you can also edit them if you wish to. Just tap onto these links, and then from here you can add and edit them. You can also edit them from here if you want. You can add plus icons, so you can delete them if you wish to. Just play around with all of them and you can edit them. You can add sections from here for templates and etc. For example, this templates you can add. You can select these templates. Let's add this one and then add it up. So this is how you can add templates, and lastly you have to save it up and it will be published. So this is how you can do it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.